good as you can, best as you can. And then you see it was like this, right? You twist it around, and then make it again, like you just. And then put it back. This counter needs to go right here at the top. Everything goes on. This is easy. Easy lemon squeeze. That. Now we're done. And then we need to draw or do colors. First, I'm going to do the numbers or the shapes. Like the banana. And then I put shapes. I'm going to do shapes instead of numbers. You can pick. After doing it, we do the colors. Making sure you don't put it on the glass. Like sometimes if it's blue and you put the yellow on it, then it's actually green. The last, it's gonna be blue. After you're done with blue, we're gonna start doing names. You can do whatever kind of words. Whatever kind of words, I'm gonna do all of these words. We're gonna do full words. You see the colors? You have each stuff right here. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're doing 4 plus 4 is 8. So we're doing 8 of them. Mini, and we're finished. Then you put your fingers in here, But I'm gonna play with. Hey, come here and play with me. Pick a shape. Start. Okay. How many numbers? 10. I'm in 100. No, you're always say 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What color? This is the star, so it's this. Change your name to Minnie.